Hey guys, I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a page or a post on WordPress. So there is no actual features on WordPress that you can use to duplicate a page or even copy paste. The only way we can do that is using a plugin. So let's go to plugin, add new. We'll be looking for a plugin called duplicate page. This is the plugin we'll be using with over 3 million installations. So click on install now. Let's activate the plugin. Now the plugin is activated. We can go to settings and click on duplicate page. In this settings, we have a few options we can tweak. So for example, what editor you want your new duplicated page to be, and do you want the page to be published or the post to be published or private? So I'm going to leave it to draft. You can also give a suffix, which is what is going to appear at the end of the new page that is cloned. So for example, I'm going to leave this as copy, and once the thing is duplicated, do you want it to go straight to this edit screen of the new page, or do you want it back to the all post list? So I'm going to leave it to all post list and click on save changes. And now let's test this. Let's go back to pages, all pages. So here we have a new option here because we installed the plugin called duplicate this. So if we go ahead and click on this duplicate this option, it should automatically duplicate this about us page and the suffix that we gave, copy. So we know this is the page that just duplicated, and this is the previous one. So we do have a differentiation now. So click on edit. So this is our duplicated page. So you can see that we do have this new title that we've given, and also in our URL it says copy. So we know that this is so now we know that this is a duplicated page, and you can make changes to this and then click on publish. Until you do that, it wouldn't be published. So let's test the post as well. So let's go back to post and click all post. And here we do have another option here as well for duplicate this. So if you click on duplicate this for posts. So as you can see, it made a new post with the same title. It just added copy to it, and it has set to draft as we've given in the settings. So you can again go back and make changes to this one. So that's how easy it is to do this. Unfortunately, WordPress don't allow you to do this by default. We need to use the plugin. So I hope this helped, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Cheers.